This morning, one didn't feel like preparing breakfast, so I went out and enjoyed a lovely halal breakfast at one of my favorite bistro. I had chicken sausages, turkey rashers, hash brown, baked beans, or grilled tomato, no baked beans. Anyway, I will put the breakfast up. So we're back at home and I've decided to make some juice, and we're going to be using the Nutribullet. The one that I've gone for is very easy because you don't really need to de-seed the fruits or anything. You can put it in whole, so it just makes life a lot more easier. And I've gone ahead and prepared some of the ingredients because I like to be organized when I'm doing my bits and bobs. And we've got the fruits over here, Nature's Pharmacy. It's all been washed and blessed. So what I use to wash them is you can soak it in apple cider vinegar, or you can soak it in lime and water. Other people use other methods, but I find apple cider vinegar works well. Either way, whatever your preference, but just make sure you wash the fruits well because some of them have wax on them. So without further ado, we're going to make cucumber juice using a few other ingredients, pear, apple, for sweetening. But this particular juice is good for hydration, rehydration of your skin, hydrating the body. You know, sometimes you lose magnesium and so on and so forth. So this particular recipe works well for me in balancing my electrolytes. Yes, so let's crack on. I'm going to be peeling the lime using this potato peeler, and I'm going to catch the skin in this bowl because I'm going to boil it later for tea along with the pineapple skin as well. Okay, so I'm going to add some pear. Там, где океан встречает perfect. But I'm going to just add a little bit of mineral water. Ready to go in the fridge, or you can put it in the freezer if you want to quickly. And yeah, so this rehydrates the body as well as the skin, and it restores your electrolytes, and it's rich in all manner of proteins. Right, so as for this, what I tend to do when I make the pineapple, because I do make pineapple, turmeric and ginger, which is good for inflammation, but I don't throw away the peel. I boil everything with some cloves into a dish and have it as normal tea. That also has its nutritious benefits as well. Also with the pulp from this, what some people do, you can make breakfast bars. You can put dried fruits, raisins, sultanas, currants. You can add oats, variety of nuts, or muesli, and yeah, make it into breakfast bar. Some people can make muffins, and other people alternatively you could do what I do, which is make compost. Just add a bit of brown cardboard paper, pour this on it, and a bit of green goldfish from outside. Put it in a bucket, put a lid on it. Within a week or two, you have your natural organic compost. So thank you for watching, and